at a point on the axial line of an electric dipole. ठीक है कि अगर एक इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल है तो उसके एक्सियल पोजीशन पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगी. कंसीडर a dipole of length 2l. This is minus q, this is plus q. Let this is A, this is B, this is L. Right? Let P is any point at a distance R from O where we have to calculate the electric field. ये प्लस चार्ज है. ठीक है. Now how we are going to calculate? At P point we will have electric field due to charge plus Q and due to charge minus Q. Right. So first of all we are going to calculate electric field at a point P due to charge plus Q. ठीक. Now electric field at a point P due to charge plus Q or B will be how much? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught magnitude of the charge Q divided by this distance Bp square. ठीक है. What will be the direction of the electric field? Because electric field is a vector quantity. So to get the direction of electric field intensity at any point, we simply place a unit positive charge there. अगर P point पर electric field intensity निकालना है ड्यू टू चार्ज प्लस Q, तो यहाँ पे आप एक यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज रख दीजिए. ठीक. अभी इसको आप भूल जाइए, सिर्फ इसकी बात करेंगे हम लोग. दिस इज प्लस Q चार्ज, यहाँ पे आपने यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज रखा है. ये चार्ज क्या करेगा? इसको फोर्स लगाएगा एंड इट विल मूव इन दिस डायरेक्शन, रिपेल करेगा इस डायरेक्शन में. तो दिस विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. E B. ठीक. Now this is the direction of positive x-axis, right? This is direction of the positive x-axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis, and electric field is in this direction. And along the positive x-axis, unit vector is I cap. It means that this vector, this electric field EB, is acting along I cap. ठीक. Now magnitude of the will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q. Bp will be this distance minus this distance, that is R minus L whole square. ठीक. Now electric field intensity due to charge A, the minus Q, at a point P will be how much? Equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught magnitude of the charge Q divided by square of this distance, that is AP. And AP is how much? R plus L whole square. What will be the direction of this electric field? इसका तो magnitude तो इतना आ गया, direction क्या होगा? For getting the direction, again place a unit positive charge at a point P. अब unit positive charge को माइनस क्यू क्या करेगा? माइनस क्यू is going to attract the unit positive charge. That is, unit positive charge will try to move in this direction if it is free to do. So this will be the direction of electric field due to charge minus q. That is, it in the this direction, that is along minus x-axis, and for minus x-axis unit vector is minus I cap. ठीक. Now magnitude of this electric field can be also be written as the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus L whole square. ठीक है. Remember, EB, vector EB and EA are in opposite direction. Now net electric field intensity at point P, vector E equal to vector EA plus vector EB. ठीक. Since EA and EB are in opposite direction, so net electric field E equal to EB minus EA. ठीक है. EB minus EA. Now E equal to EB 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q r minus L whole square minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r plus L whole square. Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon r minus L whole square minus 1 upon r plus L whole square. E equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r plus L whole square minus r minus L whole square divided by r square minus L square whole square. ठीक. Now this E equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square plus L square plus 2RL minus r square plus L square minus 2RL divided by r square minus L square to the power whole square. This E equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square plus L square plus 2RL minus r square minus L square plus 2RL divided by r square minus L square whole square. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. E equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4 RL divided by R square minus L square whole square. ठीक. Now E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught twice Q into 2L. नहीं होगा, Q 2 into 2 4 Q एंड यहाँ पे है L यहाँ पे डिवाइडेड बाई R स्क्वायर माइनस L स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर. E इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 2p अपॉन R स्क्वायर माइनस L स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है. दिस इज द electric field intensity due to electric dipole at the point P. If R is much greater than L, then E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p divided by सॉरी आर छूट गया था यहाँ से, यहाँ पे आर होगा, यहाँ पे भी आर होगा एंड दिस विल बी 2pr डिवाइडेड बाई आर क्यू. नाउ E इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 2p अपॉन आर स्क्वायर. R, sorry, this will be R to the power 4 and this will be R cube. That is E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon R cube. That is E is inversely proportional to R cube. Now electric field is the vector quantity. तो इसका डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? इट्स डायरेक्शन विल बी ई वेक्टर इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 2p r cube I cap. That is the direction of electric field intensity at a point on the axial line of a given electric dipole is along पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस. ठीक है, चलिए, थैंक यू.